Hello, my name is Kirk Himpton, and today I'd like to show you how to use the suffix builder portion of the module editor. Some services are going to make more sense if the price is followed by a suffix. For example, in Made Service, you might want to have your price not just show a price, but say that it's that price every month or every week. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you into the services area, and we're going to do just that. Let's go into a Made Service module. And let's kind of talk about pricing. Step 2 is about the questions we're going to ask the customer. Step 3 is about the pricing. Now, let's say that in the case of building square footage, you actually did most of your pricing by square footage. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of throw some pricing in here. Obviously, you may need to go through, but of course the definitions here, and we should probably spend a second talking about that. The definitions of each package are defined in step 1. So we can change maintenance to cleaning to say whatever we'd like it to say, but that's the package title: maintenance cleaning, deep cleaning, and premium cleaning. And then of course you can also see the different items that are contained in each package, and it kind of builds as it goes. Well, once we have our items within the package, the next item in step 3 is, how did we price that? Did we price that by the year and want to divide it, or did we price it by each visit? Maybe you priced it by the month and it needs to be divided by 4 to come up with a weekly price. However you decide to do it, now we can take all of these prices and run them along that same type of algorithm. So for every bed sheet, we want to charge $10. Is that $10 per month or $10 per week? Again, that's just going to be determined by you, and the same goes for all of the other pricing areas. So once you've got your pricing set up, then at the very bottom you'll notice that there's a suffix builder. Now, the suffix builder will basically allow you to leave everything as it currently is. And let's kind of look at what it currently is inside of a bid that I have here for John Doe. When you look at John Doe's pricing, you can see that he has Made Service set up, but we've got the premium cleaning package is this much, the deep cleaning package is this much, and the maintenance cleaning package is this much. Well, let's say, for example, that this maintenance cleaning is a month's worth of pricing based off of how we calculated it inside of the services area. So when we go into Made Service, we'll go back to step 3 where the pricing is located, and you can see that here we are in the maintenance cleaning. We've defined all these things, and now we can go down to that suffix builder and say, for maintenance cleaning, I would like to do a weekly price every week. And instead of no calculation, let's go ahead and divide that price by 4. Now, what that will allow me to do is, when I rerun that quote, it's going to divide the total calculation by 4 to come up with the price that the customer will get each week. This is something that you could do to help you to kind of generalize your pricing over the course of an extended period of time, where you might not be doing the same things at every single job, but you want the pricing to be consistent. So for each week, or month or year. So now we'll go back into that same bid, and I will open up Made Service, and I'm just going to recalculate this quote. So I'm going to click on Save again. And this time you'll notice that the price is $48, but it also says every week at the end. And this is what we would see as the administrator. But what does the customer see? When the customer gets a quote, their quote will be presented to them this way, and then it's $48 every week. And we could have done that same thing for all the other packages, but the suffix builder is very powerful because it allows you to do it on a package by package basis. It allows you to not do any additional division or multiplication at the end of the job, or at the end of the calculation, or it will allow you to do that. So I kind of showed you an example of something that would allow you to kind of get everything out of that suffix builder that it can do. So that is one way that you could use the suffix builder. We hope you enjoy that feature, and we look forward to your feedback.